Hi everybody. I'm just going to quickly show you how publication hubs are created on the blockchain side of things. This isn't something that a normal user is going to have to do. It's not even something that a PubHub administrator will always need to do. But one of these collections does need to exist in order to be able to mint any kind of digital collectibles to the Wax blockchain. You can see here in this incognito window, I'm on the test net. Now the real ones are created on the live website, but this is Atomic Hub's test net. I'm going to log in with a Wax wallet. This is some crypto stuff, which is what we're trying to avoid on Chainletter itself, but here is where this happens. Okay, I'm going to log in with my Anchor wallet. It's asking me to sign to give it an address. You want to just click through all these pop-ups. Sometimes there's a lot of them. I'm confirming my identity right now. So as you can see, it's requesting my identity in my Anchor wallet. You might have a Wax Cloud wallet. There's several other wallet providers. But what I'm going to do now is confirm that this is me. And again, we're on the test net. And now it's going to verify that I'm the person that owns this wallet and that I sit in front of this particular computer. So I have to sign another transaction in Anchor. And I'm going to do the same steps that I just did. It's going to present me with a new transaction that asks me to sign that I'm confirming that I want to have a web session with Atomic Hub. Don't worry about this stuff so much. I've now signed in, we're good to go, and we have access to the NFT creator tools. So if I go and view my collections, I already have quite a few because I've been making all the test collections under this account. But the only thing that we're going to do today is we're going to create a new collection. So I click Create New Collection. Okay, we're going to call this Test Call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you see, if I put in this character, it's too long. So all your collection names have to be exactly 12 characters. The numbers 1 through 5 and A to Z in all lowercase. This is the key that we're going to need to keep for when we set up our PubHub later. But the display name will just be Test Book Collection. For our website URL, we'll put in chainletter.io. For our market fee, we will actually set 0 because secondary sales can technically collect royalties in Wax, but we're not set up in any way with our publication hub to really pay those out. But if you just want secondary sales to contribute to the hub, I would arrange that with your authors first, but that's certainly possible. This holds test books. I'm entering a description. We're now going to upload our collection images. Click on select file. So it's popped up my file browser and it's showing me the images on my hard drive that I might want to use for this collection. I'm just going to use our Don Quixote logo and background for this one. So I'm going to select my background image. And you see it's cropping it, so I'm going to drag it so that it keeps the text fully. I'm going to hit save. And what this is actually doing is uploading to Atomic Hub's IPFS. I'm going to click on logo. I'm going to find my Don Quixote logo. And it cropped it just fine. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to do the same thing for my collection logo. I'm going to hit save. I'm not going to fill in anything for social media, but you certainly could. I'm not going to fill in anything for the company details, although this is required if you ever want to have a real Atomic Hub collection listing. And the very important thing that we're doing that makes this unique, that lets the Chainletter robots kind of interact with this collection, is we're going to authorize the Chainletter's agent account, which is called PubHub Minter. So you can see in this accounts we have a list of authorized accounts. We're adding this one. Now if all of this looks good and we're happy with it, we would hit save. It's going to give us another transaction. We're going to launch Anchor. Going to open our Anchor wallet. I'm going to sign this. And a collection name already exists. If you hit that error, it means that you need to actually come in and rename your collection to one that doesn't exist already. So why don't we just scramble these numbers a little bit and assume that I collided probably with myself. And we will try it again. We're signing the transaction, and success. These are finalized after a few minutes, but it should be reflected right away. If you go into your NFT creator tools, you'll see your collection. This is the one that we just made. Now a lot of those values that we just worked on can be edited. If we clicked on manage, we can click on edit. So don't worry too much here. What's really important is that we have this value, and this is what needs to go into our PubHub as the Wax collection name. and that will allow us to mint all of our NFTs into this collection. Now this is Atomic Hub, this is the Wax blockchain, and for more information about that, they have a great set of tutorials and informational videos. Thank you.